Insulation technology by Andrew Kaplan. According to the Department of Energy, in 2010, buildings consumed around 41% of the energy produced in the United States. 75% of that energy comes from fuels like natural gas and coal, and of that energy used by buildings, almost half was used to heat or cool commercial and residential buildings. This means that climate control has a huge impact on our carbon emissions. The temperatures in our homes and offices are maintained by using insulation materials as a barrier between us and the outside temperature. Improvements to insulation efficiency reduce the energy required to heat and cool buildings, and thus reduce our carbon emissions. This is where new insulation technology comes in. While traditional materials like fiberglass and polyfoam are cheap and widely used, they are far less efficient at insulating than newly developed materials, which can be up to 8 times more effective. The most promising of the new insulation technologies is the vacuum insulated panel, or VIP, which is a rigid panel consisting of a material core that is sealed and evacuated of air. While core materials can be made of fiberglass and foam, researchers have found that recycling byproducts like coal and rice husk ash can prove just as efficient as the others. VIPs are not yet widely used because of their cost to produce and install, but in some applications, mainly rental properties, they are expected to recuperate their cost in 3 to 7 years. In addition, their cost should go down as more resources are spent improving them, similar to the development of solar panels. When VIPs are ready for home and office use, they will help us cut our carbon emissions by 10 to 40%.